Are you worried that by not claiming a partial asset disposition now, you're leaving money on the table? Well, let's clarify the timing and the complexity these effects have on your deductions. First off, partial asset dispositions allow for you to write off the remaining basis of replaced components the same year that they're removed. This must be done in the year of disposition. If you wait too long, that opportunity may vanish, which forces you to continue depreciating an asset that no longer exists. For smaller capital expenditures, like replacing a few fixtures with clear individual costs, your CPA can often determine a pad election very easily. In these cases, straightforward accounting methods and good record keeping, those suffice. But for larger, more intricate projects exceeding $100,000 or so, an engineering-based review can map out each component's value. The detailed approach ensures no replacement item is overlooked and that the pad election is claimed accurately, also reflecting true economic reality on your tax return. PAD is most often applied for items like replacing a roof, mechanical equipment, water heaters, cabinetry, and other structural components that are commonly replaced within that 39-year cycle. By aligning your improvement documentation with IRS guidelines and using a method that fits your project scale, you capture every allowable deduction without guesswork or missed opportunities. If you need guidance on claiming PAD effectively this year, don't miss these opportunities and reach out to us annually so we can assess any additional write offs for your property.